Hi, I'm Rolando. Welcome back to my tech review. Today I will be unboxing and doing an overview on the wireless chargers dual pad. Samsung through the years has had various charging pads increasing speed and changing technology. This pad gives you the option to charge two devices at the same time. Let's grab the box and take a quick look. As you can see, in the back there is some information on which devices are compatible with the 2.0 wireless fast charging, and also all other devices that can work with it. Let's open the box and see what's inside. We can see the pad, the charge adapter, and a charging cable. On the left we can see the large pad, that is the one that you will rest your phone or wireless charging device, and this is the side that provides the wireless fast charging 2.0. Around the edge of the pad we can see there's a groove that provides airflow to the device charging to keep it cool thanks to a fan that is inside the pad, as we can see on the bottom of the pad. Here in the middle, we can see some warnings. It requires to use the included 25-watt charger to be able to power up the pad. Clearly says that the 15-watt charger that comes with any other Samsung device will not work. Now on the right, we can see the smaller pad that is used to charge your watch, like the S3, that is the one that I'm wearing right now, or any other phone. Just remember that it's going to charge at a slower rate. Here's a quick start guide that provides you with information on the pad and how to use it. Also, it tells you how the light indicator works and what every color and patterns means when you're charging your device, and also some other information. Here we have the cable provided in the box. It connects your pad to your charger adapter and is a USB Type-C to a USB Type-A. And here is also your 25-watt fast charger adapter. On the top we see the Samsung branding, and on the back there's some other information about the amps and the power usage. Remember that you need to use this charger in order to get the best out of the fast wireless charging 2.0. Now let's plug it in and test my watch and my Galaxy Buds, and also in the bottom left corner you will see a 30-minute time lapse charging my Note 10 Plus. Now as you see, once plugged in, you see that the light indicator turns on and it cycles through the three colors indicating that everything is working correctly. Now the watch that is resting on the pad is starting to charge, and as you can see the right light indicator turns red, meaning that it's charging. Now here are my Galaxy Buds, and as I put them on top of the other pad, you see that the left indicator turns on, meaning that they are charging. I'm going to show a little bit closer, and as you can see, also the light indicator on the Galaxy Buds is turned on. Now if you look at my time lapse, I charged my phone for the first 15 minutes without a case to make sure that I was trying to get the most out of it. And after that I put the case on and I kept charging for the next 15 minutes. So for the first 15 minutes without a case, I was up to around 12% battery. And after putting the case, it went up to 22% battery, so the case didn't affect too much the charging. So by the end of 30 minutes, you can expect to have around 22% of battery. And that's all for this video. If you want to see more content in this channel, just don't forget to subscribe, hit that like, and I'll see you in the next one.